Welcome to Dub Saw Shop. So what I got is the little Chinese Anoa clones, and y'all forgive me, I don't have my tripod, and I've seen this a few times where it's happened. A lot of people, they get these Chinese saws and they get hung up and you yank on them. Well, I do it myself. The handle pops out. Sometimes it rips kill switch wires loose, and sometimes it may pull the intake boot and stuff apart. You may have to take the carburetor off and get that boot back in there seated. So what I'm going to show you is a real quick way to do this to get the handle back if it just pops off here. So take a flathead, pop this little cap out. It's just a little plug. There's two Phillips head screws right here in the handle. It's on an AV mount down here at the bottom also. Just pull it off, fold it back. You can fold it forward or you can pull it off, whatever's more convenient. This vibe mount inside has a Phillips screw holding it to the tank. Go ahead and let's undo this. Just pull it off. Now, just put your tank handle back. I'm never gonna be able to get this started with one hand. Get it in. Just get that vibe mount back started. Tighten her back up. Then you're gonna want to pull the handle and push this to seat it in. Just like so. You just gotta pull on the handle. That way it pulls against this vibe mount. So you just pull this back this way, put your finger in here and push this and it'll seat itself back in. Then put your little rubber cap back in there, like so. Get your handle back up and get it on. Put the screws in. You should be good to go. Hope this helps somebody.